Here are the key features of the UZM320-330-60 solar module series developed by 𝐊𝐞𝐲 Uzon photovoltaic technology company. This high-end product combines the best PV technologies with perfect aesthetic appearance. 120 microcrystalline solar cells with state-of-the-art half-cell architecture and PERC design offer excellent conversion efficiency up to 19.5% and power from 320 to 330 watts, depending on the model. Use of these new technologies allows us to offer a product with improved performance and reliability. Lesser cell size in case of half cell lowers risk of microcracks, and bigger number of cell strings reduces shadow loss and mismatch loss. Passivated emitter and rear contact technology brings additional benefits to the bargain. Adding dielectric passivation layer on the rear of the solar cells contributes to the increase of efficiency in several ways. Firstly, it reduces electron recombination, making a flow of electrons more steady, which produces additional electric current. Secondly, it increases the cell's ability to absorb light, reflecting the unabsorbed light back to the solar cell to give a second absorption attempt. Thirdly, the passivation layer reflects specific light wavelengths, which can't be absorbed by the solar cells. In traditional cells, this light penetrates to the cell's backsheet, heating it and increasing the cell's temperature, which reduces cell's efficiency. The product will be a perfect match for your solar project. Elegant full black module is ideal for residential installations and building integrated arrays. Efficient and durable design provides outstanding power output, even in low light conditions, and ensures long-term stability, reliability, and optimal performance. 0 to 5 watts positive power tolerance guarantees power output reliability. To ensure quality, we thoroughly test our products. For example, to test modules' ability to withstand potentially induced degradation effect, we use conditions of 85 degrees Celsius and 85% humidity over 96 hours period. Though, by the customer's request, we can customize the module to resist even harsher conditions. Robust construction allows the product to withstand mechanical stresses of up to 5,400 Pascal for a front load and 2,400 Pascal for a back load. 3.2mm low ion temperature high transmittant glass with anti-reflection coating protects the module from the environment and ensures efficient light absorption. As encapsulant, we use proven EVA, ethylene vinyl acetate film, which reliably prevents moisture dirt penetration in the solar modules. Panel's black covered frame is made from high quality aluminium alloy, making it light, durable and resistant to corrosion. For backsheet in these modules, we use TPT, Tedlar Polyester Tedlar, which is a thermoplastic fluoropolymer material with high weather resistance and strength, low moisture permeability and a wide operational temperature range. Panel's junction box has IP67 protection class, which means it's reliably protected from any dust ingress and water resistant. Confident in the quality of our products, we offer 12 years warranty for materials and workmanship and 25-year warranty on linear power output. We pack these for shipping in boxes with 31 pieces in each box. The standard 40-foot high cube container can carry 806 pieces, with a total packing unit weight of 631 kilogram. Our company, located in Ma'anshan City, Anhui Province in central China, invested more than $50 million into modern manufacturing base with production capacity of 2 gigawatts. Our factories, equipped with highly automated production lines, allow us to manufacture high-quality mono and polycrystalline solar modules, which we export globally, including Asia, Europe, Middle East, and America.